Hi. Today we're going to be testing what happens to gummy worms when you pour 321 degree below zero liquid nitrogen into a styrofoam container. Add one flexible gummy worm. I mean, listen to that liquid nitrogen bubble and steam. Let's drop this gummy worm into the liquid nitrogen and see what happens. Just leave it in there for a moment. Got a lot of frost forming on the bottom here of the styrofoam cup. Let's see what's going on here. Man. You definitely don't want to get this on you. Always have to wear gloves and be very careful. It's steaming so much I can't hardly see the gummy worm. I'll try to search through it here and see if I can find it. It's like a thick fog. I can't hardly. Okay, there's the gummy worm. And look how, I mean, it got so frozen so quickly that just by throwing it down on the table, it just burst into pieces. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.